What's up guys, Daryl from Rockville, and today I want to quickly go over the SB15 speaker bag. Now this speaker bag is designed for 15-inch speakers, so check in the description box to make sure that your speaker can fit in this bag. So this thing features extra thick padding specifically for really heavy speakers. It's water resistant, a huge pocket so you can fit all of your accessories in it, and it features multiple handles so you can pick it up from the top. Handles on the front and the back so 2 people can carry it, and the best part about it is that it features a trolley handle and wheels so you can actually just roll it down the street with you when you need to. When you put in the speaker, make sure you check where the top of the bag is, and you can tell it's the top of the bag because the trolley handle is right here. Wow, that fits really nice. Extra padding, put this on the bottom. This thing has a double zipper on both edges. These zippers are really thick. There's an extra little Velcro here. You make sure you put the handle through the loop and then close it off. It's nice and snug. So if you're looking for an extremely durable, easy to transport speaker bag for your 15-inch speaker, look no further than the SB15 by Rockville.